Come with me and decorate for Lunar New Year in 2026. I'm hosting my family this year, and I got items to celebrate the year of the fire horse. I also made an origami party favor, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. I got the cutest gourd vases and accessorized it with some jade pendants. I found some really cute coasters that were great for the occasion, pagoda napkin rings that are gold, and antique soup spoons as well. I got some great charger plates, some serviette napkins, flatware. I love that these soup spoons are hand painted with dragons inside. Now it's time to assemble the serviette napkins and start getting items ready. To assemble this experience, I started with changing out our curtains. Red and gold are our traditional colors for the new lunar year. Just swapping out the curtains alone already gives the space such a bold feeling. It was so much fun to do this with my family. And now to the fun part. Well, it's all fun, but you know what I mean. I wanted to do something really nice, elevated, and give an experience to my family members that they haven't had before. I found the cutest chopstick holders. They were red origami cranes, and I couldn't say no. We're close to getting done, which means I get to enjoy everything we just did. Yay! My vision was to find a happy medium between traditional and elegance. I'm really happy with how everything turned out and can't wait to have my family over. I'm hoping they'll all enjoy my vision for New Year's too. It was really pretty to see the sunrise and watch the way it lights up the space. Now we're ready for a full walkthrough. Let's take a peek. The peach blossoms glow in the sunlight, and it's so pretty to have on the table. I got horse charms to add onto our New Year's tree for good luck this year. It's really important for me to be able to do everything I can in welcoming great energy for 2026. Prosperity, success, family, health, you name it. I wanted to make sure that I did my part. I've never decorated for Lunar New Year the way that I have this year. I also enjoy that I can participate in old traditions and also share them with my niece and younger generations. I love that I get to put on my own spin to family traditions, and my family also enjoys it too. And I also got Vietnamese New Year scrolls to give us good luck as well. I think we're set. My favorite part about this was making my origami party favor ball. It's out of a Shinobi cube, it's a modular diagram, and I also had special Buddha paper and dragon printed paper that I incorporated. Inside I have really cute origami charms, a do-it-yourself affirmation bracelet for the new year, and stickers, of course. Again, Happy New Year, everyone, and thank you so much for joining me and watching. Bye!